So yesterday, Laravel Cloud celebrated its 1 year anniversary since its launch. And as part of that, the team basically put together this like 12-hour live stream. I think it was 12 hours. It was basically all day. And as part of that, they had different people come on and sort of, talk about Laravel Cloud, of course, but also launch some things. And one of the things they sort of secretly launched yesterday is a website called Laravel Skills. And what this is a directory of AI skills that you can import directly. You can basically just, you can see right here, MPX skills add, and then you just pick whichever one you want. As of right now, it's got 88 total skills, but if we click on one, like this eloquent best practices, you can see down here, how they've structured their skill, how it's going to, tell the AI agent what to do. So it's pretty sweet. And not only like is it, you can just import it that the community's already created, but you can actually go here and learn a lot as far as how to structure skills, how other people are doing things, and things like that. As of right now, it's got 88 total skills. You can search, you can submit, and basically you're just going to submit a GitHub repo. But since it just launched yesterday, it's already got 88 skills, so that's pretty impressive. I'm sure this is going to grow and keep getting better and better. So go check that out. It's available at skills.laravel.cloud, and go contribute or go learn. Either way, I think you're going to win.